Good morning, everyone. I hope you are going through your theorems and definition of orthogonal complements. Now, using that theorems and definition, we are going to solve this example. Example says, find a basis for the orthogonal complements of the subspace W of the corresponding Rn spanned by the vectors. Okay. So first have example having two vectors, that is u1 having the term elements 2 0 minus 1, u2 having the elements 4 0 minus 2 from R3. Okay, to solve this example what you have to do is you have to find a basis for orthogonal complements. Now according to your theorems, first of all, using these two terms I create one matrix. You have to place this two vectors in the row form of the matrix. Okay, the subspace of W spine this vector, right? It is already given in your examples, is nothing but row space of the matrix A is equal to 2 0 minus 1 4 0 minus 2, which is these two vectors. Now orthogonal basis for orthogonal complements of W find करना है. So according to your theorem, row space of A, orthogonal complements of row space of A is nothing but null space of A. So therefore basis for row space of A, that means orthogonal complements of row space of A is equal to basis for null space of A. Okay, and that is means basis for orthogonal complements of W, that is W perpendicular, is equal to basis for the null space of A. Now what is the null space? Null space of A is the solution space of homogeneous system of Ax is equal to 0. See, if you guys remember, આપણે basis vectors find કર્યા હતા, dimensions find કર્યું હતું in the vector space. If you remember that, same way you have to find this. Simply you have to take this matrix in this form, Ax is equal to 0. That is your homogeneous system of equation. You have to find the solution for x1 y1 x2 x1 x2 x3. ओके, इसका जो भी सॉल्यूशन आएगा दैट इज़ योर बेसिस वेक्टर. दैट बेसिस वेक्टर इज परफॉर्म अ बेसिस फॉर W perpendicular.